Economic backwardness, unemployment, abductions and target killings. Gilgit-Baltistan faces many problems. The people of the region have been victims of Pakistani oppression for the past 64 years. The situation in the area has been worsening in the past few years due to increasing sectarian violence. Political leaders and activists now want an intervention by the United Nations to free them from Pakistani oppression.
So we believe that United Nations has full rights to take more role and play more role in Gilgit-Baltistan, because Pakistan has failed the local people and failed the region. And the only thing that Pakistan is interested in is exploiting its resources at the cost of deprivation for the local people. So we believe that United Nations should play a bigger role and give a clear signal, clear message to Pakistan that if it's not up to its promises, then it doesn't have any role to play in Gilgit-Baltistan anymore.
To maintain its domination in Gilgit-Baltistan, a predominantly Shia region, Pakistan is promoting Sunni migration, resulting in ethnic clashes. Hundreds of Shias in Gilgit have been killed in sectarian violence in 2012.
The Pakistan is trying to move in, bring in the non-locals to change the demography there, since the nationalist sentiments are growing and political unrest is growing in Gilgit-Baltistan.
The Pakistan Army and secret agencies are supporting militants, organizing training camps in the region to meet their strategic interests. Instead of protecting the people, the security forces are violating human rights by abducting and killing political activists. The people of Gilgit-Baltistan want an end to the colonial rule of Pakistan.
Pakistani forces, whether it's Pakistani paramilitary or the secret services, they have been very supportive of those militants who have played a big role in creating mayhem in Gilgit-Baltistan, and a lot of slaughter has taken place in the last 60 years, and Pakistani security forces have played no role in protecting the local people, and the Pakistani courts